Tips to be prepared during a flood. Floods are among the most typical manifestation of hydrogeological instability. However, its risks and negative consequences can be reduced. Let's see how. If you're at home, never go down to cellars or garages to save objects or stores. You risk your life. If you're at home, go up to the upper floors without using the lift. If you're at home, don't try to take your car or agricultural machinery to a safe place. If you're at home, don't drink water from the tap in the house. It could be polluted. If you're at home, turn off the gas, heating and electricity. If you're at home, help the disabled and older people in your building to reach safety. If you are outside the home, avoid using your car unless strictly necessary. If you are outside the home, escape towards higher ground and never go downwards. If you are outside the home, if you are in the car, don't try to reach destination at all costs. Find shelter in the nearest and safest buildings. If you are outside the home, avoid transit or stopping on the banks of watercourses, bridges or footbridges. Stay informed and follow the instruction of the authorities.